Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we have another circular of CBSE, and this circular of the CBSE was released on date 20 May 2021. The circular number is 33/2021. Okay, and this has been sent to to the heads of all the institutions affiliated to CBSE. And what is the subject of that? Subject of this: call for the participation in Young Warrior, a youth-led movement to combat COVID-19. Okay, so this is a program, okay, a young warrior program in which the CBSE wants students to participate in it. Okay, so this circular is regarding that. Let's see, guys. We see further what it says. That letter has been sent to all the principals. It says that, dear principals, as India faces the brunt of the devastating second wave of COVID-19. Okay, 3,000 million young people represent one of the best hopes at the solution. Now, who are these 300 million young people? These are the students, those who are studying in CBSE school. So as an institution affiliated with the board, we collectively engage the millions of students every year, enabling this population to assume a leadership role. So what the CBSE is expecting, they want to give this leading role to the students, this leadership role during a crisis such as this. Can instill strong leadership skill. And what will happen if the student will participate in this? So they will develop strong leadership skill in them, empathy, as well as the social consciousness among youth. Okay, and another advantage of this, the youth will become socially aware about what is happening around them. Further, it says the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE), together with Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and Ministry of Health and Family Affairs and UA UNICEF, and a multi-stakeholder consortium of over 950 parents are activating the hashtag Young Warrior movement. Okay, now here are some of the new terms for you, like for example here, stakeholder. Now who are the stakeholders? Stakeholder is a person that is involved in a particular organization and project system, etc., especially because they have invested some money in them. Okay, they are called the stakeholder. And this term called consortium. Consortium is also a group of people or a company or other countries, etc., who are working together on a particular project. So they have started a program called a Young Warrior Movement. A Young Warrior is a nationwide movement to engage 5 million young people. And who are these 5 million young people I'm telling? These are the students of CBSE, to lead actions against the COVID-19 and impact 50 million people. Therefore, all the school leaders are requested to encourage any student or the teacher between the age of 10 to 30 years. Okay, and who can be the part of this young warrior? They can be like those who are in the age group of 10 to 30 years to join this movement and safeguard themselves, their families, their communities, and their country. Now, what they are supposed to do in order to join this movement, the students and teachers are supposed to do. To join, they have to take the following simple step. They will be eligible for a UNICEF certificate on completion of the task. See, guys, if you will do this, you will become the young warrior. You will get a certificate from UNICEF, that is United Nations International Child Education Fund. Okay, so from there you will get a certificate of completing this task. And how you can enroll yourself? First way is on WhatsApp. Okay, on WhatsApp you are supposed to type this YWA and send it to this given number. Okay, this is the number which is given over here. You are supposed to send it on this number. Or they could give a missed call. And if you are not using WhatsApp, you can still give the missed call on this number, that is 080-660-19-225. Now once they join, they can motivate 10. And once you have joined, so what you are supposed to do, you have to motivate 10 or more young people. Okay, that is of age group of 10 to 30 to join the movement. Okay, and third step will be pledge to take action. Okay, you have to take a pledge to take action against the COVID-19 by posting. And how you will take the pledge? By posting messages with the phrase. Okay, and what will be your phrase? Your phrase will be that I am a hashtag young warrior on social media pages. Okay, social media, tagging 5 friends. Okay, in that you are supposed to tag at least 5 friends in that. Now this engagement will comprise a series of easy and real life tasks with the hashtag young warrior, earning certificate for their action, and what you will get in the return, you will get one certificate for it. These actions include the prompting access to the varied health and essential services, vaccine registration, COVID appropriate behavior, and myth busting, etc. Now, what duties students will be performing? They will be promoting access to the varied health centers, essential services help they can provide. They can help people to register for the vaccine. Okay, and COVID appropriate behavior. Now, what is COVID appropriate behavior? Like somebody is not putting on the mask, to promote the awareness about wearing the mask, etc. Myth busting. Many people have the different myths, means stories in their mind, right? They have developed some stories against the corona. So you can tell them what is the fact and what is not that. So this task will be hosted in 10 regional languages to protect themselves, their families, and their neighborhood against COVID-19. The first is a technology-based chatbot platform called UReport. Okay, and the WhatsApp number is given over here of the UReport. Okay, and the second, after first, the second is an interactive voice response IVR. Okay, this can be done with the help of chat box. It can be done with the interactive voice response. Okay, IVR based platform, and for that you can give the missed call on this number. For young people who may not have the WhatsApp, there are people those who may not have the WhatsApp or internet. For them, the third option is open, that is of the community radio. All right, for those who have no access to the phone or internet, this will be supported by Knowledge and Learning Hub. Okay, then this is the link is given for that, with index state specified information tool and blended learning modules that are adolescent and youth friendly. Finally, the key message and the positive stories of youth action will be promoted on social media. And now what will be finally, what will happen, that whatever positive task you have done related to the COVID-19, right? So that will be, that message and the positive story of youth will action be promoted on social medias, okay, through partners and influencers. Okay, and you can follow, this link is given over here. One can follow for this link particularly for more information if you required in this regard. Okay, I can show you here. This is the link. All right. And further, it says that look forward to seeing our young warriors leading us out of this crisis. Okay, Dr. Bispajit Shah, Director and the Training and Skill Education, CBSC. So, guys, now here is an example that how this look like. Okay, this your young warrior page on the social media website. It will look somewhat like this. You can see over here. Young warrior, take action against COVID-19, become a young warrior. Okay, complete the simple task on your phone, it says, and get a certificate on WhatsApp. Type YWA and send it to this number, or you can give a missed call on this number. Pledge to take the action against COVID-19 by posting I am a hashtag young warrior on social media. And what social media one can use? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, do tag at least 5 friends and ask them to join this movement on WhatsApp by giving a missed call on the above mentioned numbers. Okay, so this is what your role will be, right, initially, to start with it, and gradually as you'll involve, you will learn more about it. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully soon we will come up with more updates from the CBSC. Meanwhile, take care of yourself and your family during this pandemic time. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Enjoy your day.